Let's prove 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So here left hand side LHS left hand side is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, okay, is equal to, now multiply and divide this term by 1 plus sin theta. So this is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to, now look at numerator. It is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So use formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So using that formula, this is 1 minus 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to, this is 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta means it is cos square theta. So this is cos square theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to, now cancel 1 cos theta. So this is cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta and is equal to, now this is right hand side of this identity, okay, so this is RHS and thus LHS is equal to RHS. So, okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.